I'll be doing a recipe from this book. It's from the author of Cookie Companion. It's a Gourmet Popcorn 100 Recipes for Any Occasion by this author right here. I got this from my library. The recipe we're going to be doing from this book, here's the back of the book, is kettle corn. So we're going to make some kettle corn today. So for what you're going to be needing is you're going to need one, let's see, you're going to need 1/4 cup of canola oil or any oil that has a high burn content. You are going to need a 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels and a 1/3 cup of sugar. So the next thing we're going to be doing is, oh, and you're also going to need a big pot with either a ventilation lid or something, but I don't have a big enough lid with a ventilation, so we'll see how this goes. And you are going to need a stove. So the directions say to heat up your oil, and what you're going to do to test to see if your oil is ready, you're going to take 3 kernels of popcorn, and you're going to put them in here. You're going to put your lid on, and once those are popped, I'll take you to the next step. Next step is, after your 3 kernels have popped, you're going to place your popcorn and your sugar, and then you are going to shake this back and forth. Then your popcorn will look like this. Some of them that are towards the bottom will be a little dark with the sugar, because I accidentally burned mine a little bit. So that's the other bowl. So if you can put salt on it, or any ingredient that you would like to make it salty, or if you're allergic to salt, you can put like a no salt substitute on it, and then your popcorn is done. Make sure you wash your container, because here's a tip on here. It says, let me just give you a little bit of advice on this one. This popcorn is amazing, but don't be fooled by eating all right away and then following the post-snack nap and forgetting about the dishes for days. The sugar in the pot is going to turn itself into a rock when it cools. Allow the pot to cool for a few minutes and then fill the bottom of the water to make clean up easier. So they want you to wash your dishes as soon as possible because it'll get hard. Okay. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this kettle corn popcorn from this book or any recipe that's out there. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you hit that bell too for great notifications. Bye bye.